Hi, it's Jay Agoado, and I'm here to talk to you about day 2 of Prosperity Strategy, which will be taking place down in the beautiful Palm Springs area. So day 2, we're going to be focusing on real estate investments. There are so many different investments out there in real estate, but we are going to help you create a strategy to purchase investments that work best for you and your personality type. Not every investment works for everyone. So we're going to help you create a strategy and help you learn how to analyze these properties and understand cash flow and truly help you understand what investment works best and best for you. So it's going to be a great time. I look forward to seeing you and everyone else down in the desert. I mean, it's November. Wouldn't you rather be in the desert than in rainy Northwest weather? So I look forward to seeing you and have a great rest of your day.